more.
What? I'll drink more later. I'm not fucking drinking right now. Damn. I drink more water than you. Don't tell me what to do, dog. You need to drink most of that water before you fucking pass out. Yeah, go jump in. Drink it. It's probably healthy.
My throat keeps getting dry yesterday. Now it's so dry.
You didn't drink enough water.
Yeah, and I kept drinking when I get up.
Last night or yesterday in general?
Yesterday, in general. Cheese, a little bit, banana.
In Negros, do they cut the grass by chopping it with a machete?
The grass?
Yeah.
And we have this little thing called bonlai.
What's that?
It's like, it's not a machete, but
It's smaller,
it's like the sharp thing is like as small as that,
okay.
and then there's that wood. And
Yeah.
You're just gonna use that to cut grass.
You chop it?
You're not gonna chop it. You do put
Oh, like
like
sideways?
that. Yeah, you like that. Why?
Because I saw a girl in Negros on TikTok, and her family were like
But
cutting
if
grass.
you don't
It was
have,
like this big.
if you have like, if you only bring the machete, then you're gonna use that.
Yeah, but she was going like this.
Maybe if it's a hard grass.
Hmm.
What a hater.
You're such a hater, bro.
No,
Did you try this yet?
I don't want to try it.
Try it.
I don't want to.
Try it. What is wrong with you? Try this shit. You think it? You think it? I think it's the only thing with queso on top that I've liked.
Oh, well, I like that one.
Oh, I don't want to try it. You
I have my
you can
food.
eat half.
No, I have my food.
No, you can eat half.
Shut up. I have a lot of it.
Oh.
Eat all of that.
I'm not offering you though.
Ah. You're not gonna eat all that because it's so sweet.
I'm gonna eat it all. You eat that one, I'm gonna eat this one. I like this better than
Indian almond.
I like this better than real flan
Why?
because I don't like too much custard. I don't like the feeling in my mouth.
What's custard?
Texture. This custard.
Oh, this?
Flan is a custard. Same with creme brulee. It's a custard. Creme brulee and flan are basically the same thing. We just cook them a little different.
It's just crispy.
On top, that's it. It's not crispy at the bottom. It's not
Oh,
supposed to have cake on it.
But you have
in it.
cream. This doesn't have cream.
What has cream?
Creme brulee. This one on top and then cream and
That
then cake.
cream is custard. It's made from egg and sugar. That's why I said, telling you, it's a custard. Just like flan is a custard. Someone else was eating here chocolate cake.
Eat it.
Oh, go eat it.
Eat it.
It's all for you. I don't like chocolate. This one was a good pick.
If like I choose which of that one, would choose the burnt one. But you
No,
don't
you
like
wouldn't.
it.
No, it's not that I don't like it. It looked dry. It didn't look moist like this looks moist.
I would still choose the burnt one.
That one was so good.